Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube session once again. In this episode, I'm going to teach you how to easily catch 1000 pips, 1500, 2000 pips easily from this market. And for case study, we are going to be making use of currency pairs, GBP JPY to be precise. All right. So we are going to dive right into it and I will show you the tricks and the secrets behind this. And just know that if you are a swing trader, this is more of a bigger opportunity for you because in this process you can be able to catch massive profit on the long term basis. All right. And if you are also a day trader or a scalper, you can likewise make some profits going in and out of the market. All right. So let's hit the chart and see what we have today. So guys, this is GBP JPY, and like I mentioned, we are going to be using this for case study. All right. So the secret to catching these crazy pips is making use of higher time frame, guys, because when you are trading off the higher time frame, you tend to catch more pips. At least you see the overall direction of that particular pair you're trading. Okay. So in this particular pair, GBP JPY, as you can see, I will try to highlight the demand and supply levels. So here we have the demand level here, guys, as you can see. Likewise, over here, we have a level here, guys. This is a valid level. So this is going to be a short video, but it is going to be explanatory in the sense that after watching this video, you should be able to understand the message I'm trying to pass, guys. So here we have another level over there. As you can see, this is the monthly time frame, and price have already tested this level the first time, and we saw price testing this level the second time. And over here, guys, you can see that price also tested this level for the third time, but this is going to be more visible on lower time frame, maybe the daily time frame or the 4 hours time frame. All right. So putting that into consideration, let's see if we can identify any other level. Okay. So we have this level as well, which price I've already broken out of. As you can see, this was a valid level, guys. You can see that our price tested this level countless of times before breaking out. So I'm anticipating that GBP JPY is likely coming to this level, guys. We are practically going here. Moreover, if we are able to see a breakout from this particular level, then that means GBP JPY will skyrocket. We might see something like this, guys. We are likely to see this. And if at all we should see this, then that means that this high is going to be broken. And we might see GBP JPY forming all-time highs. As you can see, this price point was on July 7th. Sorry, July 2nd, 2007. This was 2007, guys. So we are practically going to see price coming back to this level. If we are to break this particular level, guys, we might see a scenario like this. Okay. But since we are trading what we are seeing at the moment, this is the closest level that our price is heading to. 220. That is where I'm anticipating that price is heading to, guys. So to trade this pair, I'm going to highlight this level at the same time. because this is a valid level, guys, and price might likely come here to maybe retest, or we might see price acting as a resistance over here. So with that being said, I always like to check my indicators to see what my indicators are telling me, guys, because they are very, very helpful. And as you can see here, we had a cross on this indicator over here on the monthly time frame, signifying that the buyers are buying with speed and the market is still bullish with speed. So this pair is going crazy, and this is the right time to hop on it. Don't forget to do that. Do your due diligence, do your own analysis, but this should be a projection for you. Okay, so let's check what the weekly time frame is doing. So on the weekly time frame, if you notice from the beginning of this price point, from here, guys, price formed a double bottom, and this is more visible, I guess, on the monthly time frame. As you can see, this was double bottom, and since then we've seen price rallying up. Price wasn't able to break this low, then we saw price pushing up, and since then we've been seeing, so this is an uptrend. We have been seeing series of higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so knowing this, we can now check other time frames and as well see what they are telling us. So to hop on this particular setup, I will advise that you wait for pullbacks, because it is risky to buy at the high. You don't buy at the top. So on the daily time frame, as you can see, price have been on this price point for a while. This was last week Friday. Okay, this was on Friday. So I'm anticipating that since price was able to break this last high, then we are probably going to see maybe a little push to the upside. We might see a scenario like this, a push to the upside, then we'll see price retracing, maybe to bounce off this level and continue our impulsive move to the upside. Okay, or we are likely to see price pulling back maybe to this price point. We might see price coming to this price point to rally up again. This is also possible, guys. So I'm currently waiting, because this is a patience game, guys. You have to be disciplined, and at the same time, you have to exercise patience until your trading has come to a point whereby it have met your criteria for entry, and you know that, okay, this setup is valid, then you can take a trade. Otherwise, you just have to sit it out, guys. You have to wait until the setup presents itself to you. You don't just rush your setup because of you want to trade or you want to make money. No, you have to be disciplined and patient for these setups to form. Okay. So with that being said, let's check 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, you can see that we are seeing rejection candles. We saw a doji closing right over here, signifying that sellers are coming into the market. Okay, so I will now be on the lookout for price still coming down, hopefully to this level, guys, or we might see price looking for the nearest support level. And the nearest support level over here, I can identify this price point. This is the nearest supply level, sorry, the demand level, guys. Price is targeting maybe to gather more momentum to the upside. We might see price coming here or we might see price coming back to this price point. So whichever one we see, we are going to be looking for buy opportunities. I'm not interested in selling this pair. I'll be more interested in buying. This is what I'm anticipating, guys. I'll ride this wave to the upside. And at the same time, JPY basket, like I've always been saying for months now, JPY basket is in a downtrend. Japanese yen is very, very weak. And I've been calling the sells on this Japanese yen for a while. Since the year started, I've been bearish on this pair. And you can see that this pair is crazy, it's wide, guys. And don't be left out on this moving trade. You have to hop on these opportunities, guys. And last time I told you guys that JPY basket was coming to this price point. As you can see, the target was smashed, but you can see the last candle that really closed, the weekly candle, it broke this level and closed below it. So I'm anticipating that this next week, this candle is going to close bearish at the same time. And if we see this candle closing for the week as bearish candle, then we might see price pushing further down, guys. This is what I'm anticipating. It's going to be crazy. We might see this candle closing as a bearish candle, then we might see price pushing to the upside a bit, then boom, it will keep going down, guys, until we see any change of character or we see that this trend is changing. All right, so that is it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more educative contents like this. Leave a positive feedback, like and share this video so that YouTube can recommend it to other traders out there. All right, see you guys next time. Bye.